Sheep. I don't think it's worked. Oh, it did! Ooh. It is hot down there. It's a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner! Oi! Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. We're there, man. Yes, my name is M.R. That is Up and Coming Productions, and this is Cook and Vibe. Big up our proud sponsors, McGrill's Jerkyard. To get yours, go in the link in the description below. Yeah, Saint, chill out. He's in the background. Do you know what I'm saying? The dog, them there. Yeah, we're outside. It's a little bit windy, but we're outside. Yeah, you can see the environment. All right, so today, people, we're cooking jerk chicken under the sand. Jerk chicken under the sand. All right, that is what we're doing today. You know, nothing is normal vibe. We always do the extravagant ways. Do you know what I'm saying? We're on the road to Jamaica. A little jerk chicken under the sand. Oh, that's the environment. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get into today's ingredients and what we're going to be using for today's ingredients. Why? Yes, people, so we're cooking some jerk chicken underneath the sand today. A different thing. Up and Coming Productions. We're getting ready to go to Jamaica, you know. Ben's got his shorts on already. He said I'm getting ready for Jamaica. Why? Alright, so listen, what we're going to do is, because I don't want to make it too difficult for myself, I'm going to use chicken breast. Okay, yeah, so we got our chicken breast, we got our dried jerk chicken seasoning, and we've got, of course, McGrill's Jerkyard. We wouldn't be anything else, do you know what I'm saying? So all we're going to do first is we're just going to marinate up the chicken, you get me, and then we are going to dig our hole or our pit in the sand for our chicken to go under. Why? So before I do the chicken, before I marinate the chicken and dig my pit, I need to build a fire first, because I need to build the heat that's going to go in the hole first. So I'm just collecting some wood, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to collect some wood, build a fire, get that going with some coal as well, and then marinate the chicken and do the thing. You know what I mean? It's on the road to... It's on the road to Jamaica, man. Why? Yeah, people, so I'm building up a little, just getting some wood going, just to get a little fire going, so I can get some heat down there. Then I'm going to put some coals on top of it, and then put some more wood on it, and just build it up. So I've got some heat going on. You know what I'm saying? It's Cook and Vibe, man. Look and learn. It's Up and Coming Productions. M.R. is on the road. You know what I'm saying? Look at the scenery, man. Yeah, see my digger? You got to improvise to Cook and Vibe. That's my digger, so I'm going to dig my hole. See it down here? Yeah, so I've already started here. So yeah, man, just I dig out my hole. It don't need to be that big, because it's only chicken breast. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Run, look and learn. You see it there? We have our hole. You know what I'm saying? So, a simple thing now. All we got to do is get some heat down there. season up our chicken, put it there, cover it up. You can see what I've got anyway. Yeah man, don't forget to like, we run away from the wind, comment, share and subscribe. And there we have it. There we have our chicken seasoned. People in there. You know what I'm saying? Chicken breast is not going to take as long as a full chicken. So I thought I'd try it this way. You know what I'm saying? A little something different for you. Yeah, baby! It's up and coming productions. It's Cook and Vibe. It's M.R. Yeah, man. I'm just so excited to get to Jamaica. I just want to get out of it, to be honest. Yeah, people. Yeah. See the hole of smoke? What's your name, man? Whoa! Yeah, so basically what I want to do is, right now, I'm just going to get more, well, now I've got some heat down here. It means I can heat up some more. You see me? So basically, what we're doing is we're just waiting for that to just red hot so I can take some of the coals off. So when I put the chicken in, I can put a couple of coals on top. So there's heat coming from both, you know, from the bottom and the top. You know what I'm saying? So yeah man, a fire we are building right now. Yeah, people, we've got enough heat down here now, as you can see. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna lay this down. Oh, I did! Ooh. It is hot down there, yeah? So, all right, chicken's in there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put another little thing over that. Like that. That could go in there. And like I said, I've got some hot coals here that I'm just gonna rest on top. I don't know if it's gonna work. Ben, I have no clue. But it should do, because I can hear it cooking already. Yeah man. Last bit of coal in there. There we go. Alright, now what we've got to do is cover it up. Put that down there a bit. Yeah. Where is it? Now this is the problem, Ben. Yeah? We need to know where it is. So we're gonna put our landmark here. Yeah? This is our landmark, people. Because if you remember rightly, when we done this at the beach last time, I lost it, Ben. I couldn't find it again. I was searching up and down. So you see this, look, we're sitting here. So we know it's here. It's under there, people. Under there is the jerk chicken. Now, if I remember, if I told you rightly in an episode before, like this is the original way of cooking jerk chicken. You know what I'm saying? The Maroons used to go up not in the sand, but they used to go up into the mountains. Do you know what I'm saying? And they would cook their jerk underneath the ground. Do you know what I mean? So there wouldn't be like no smoke or nothing like that. And yeah, that's how they kept away from all the authorities. Do you know what I'm saying? And lived their life how they wanted to live it, and not how they wanted to live it. Do you know what I mean? They kept their thing going themselves, lived in the countryside, lived in the mountains, and that's how jerk was made, was originated, man. You know, underground cooking, hiding. You know, so right now, so we are hide people. I thought I could feel heat, people. There was a bit of bloody wood. Ow! I just put my hand on a burning bit of wood. I mean, there is heat, slight heat, like just in this little part here. You know what I'm saying? So, to be honest, there's not much we can do now. Yeah, we just gotta. All right, people, so X marks the spot. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Just chilling out, waiting for the chicken to cook. What more can you do? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, people. You get me? Make sure you're following Up and Coming Productions. Make sure you're following the Instagram pages. Make sure you're following the TikTok, everything. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure when this is going out, but we've only got a couple weeks, if that. Do you know what I'm saying? So it's a oi thing, really, isn't it? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, we're there, man. Laysdown. That's where we are. We're on Laysdown Beach right now. Yeah, man. Oi. Yeah. So we've come for a little stroll. Hopefully no one don't take away our landmine, so we know where we are. Landmine, that weren't the right word for it. But our wherever it is, so we know where the food is. But yeah, I wanted to show you this little vibes, you know. So you see up there, people, we're going to be doing an episode, right, on that side of that cliff up there. You get me? So watch out for that one, man. You know what I mean? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. You know what I'm saying? We just hit 35k the other day, so big up yourself for that. Thank you to everybody that supports the channel. Really means a lot to me. Do you know what I mean? If you haven't subscribed and you're watching it, please, it takes 1 second to just go and press subscribe. You can also become a member to the channel now, you know, so just go to the main page, it says join, and you can become a member. There's 3 different stages to the membership. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, why are you? Living life, people. Yeah, you know, like when you're on holiday. He's living like. So it's been over an hour. Remember to say our chicken breast on the people, so I think we're going to go for the moment of truth. I think we are going to go for the moment. What do you reckon, Ben? Should we go for it?
Yeah, I think it's about
time.
Let's
go for it, Cock and Vibe. Let's find out. Hopefully the first thing we've got to do is find out the actual spot where we put it. And then, hopefully, it's cooked. Alright, we're going to go for the moment of truth. We go down here. That burn there's from the bit of wood that was on top of it, so don't worry about that. Now here, I can feel heat a little bit. So I'm presuming that it's going to be underneath here. Hopefully. Here we go, Ben. Here we go. I found a bit of coal. Look, see it there? See, this is where I've got to be careful because I don't want to burn myself. Okay, look. It must be coming from that way, so. Look, there's 4 bits of coal. We had on top. There we go. There we go. Hey! Here we go. Here we go, people. So, if it ain't cooked, then it's the end of the episode anyway. I'm gonna be honest with you. There's no turning back now. You get me? So, there we go. Let's open it up. We're gonna take it over there, open it up and see what I've got on. Why? You ready, people? Are you ready? Okay. Oh, wow. I think it has cooked. Is that cooked? Or is that not cooked? I swear to God, I was getting bare worried. I was like, sheep. I don't think it's worked. And then, as I turned it over, is it not cooked? Is that me, Ben, or is that cooked? That's cooked. That's cooked, bruv, isn't it? There we go. Bosh. It's not a game. It's not a game out here, bruv, right? We know what we're doing. Done. Now what? Let's go straight in. Very succulent. That's like, it ain't nowhere near overcooked, that. Right, if you cook it really well. Like, it's like, it's not like overcooked, but it's like definitely cooked. But it cooks it in a way where it's really like moisturised still. There's a lot of the flavour. You can really taste the drop seasoning still in it. It's really nice. That underground style of cooking keeps it moisture. Now, I would like to sneeze them to cook off a bit more, so you know, like on the barbecue. But wait, hold on. It wouldn't be right without it. Yeah, get a bit of hot sauce on there, people. Yeah. Go for another bit of chicken. I'm trying to get away from that wet season at the edge there. That's when it comes alive. Now it works. Big up section. See you next week. Now that was very interesting. When I first opened it up, as you can see, Ben, you can put the clip back in. It looked like it wasn't cooked at first. That's when I opened it and I thought it is raw. Because the seasoning hadn't cooked, but it actually cooked. And the juiciness of it, and when you actually get down into the actual chicken, it's like there was flavouring actually deep inside the chicken, and you know, to get the flavour inside the chicken breast is very difficult. So, it's a winner. Winner, chicken dinner! Big up. All my cocoa vibers, just big up. Yeah, man, leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Why I? Yeah, man, it's a big up section, people. We're on the road to Jamaica. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So big up Samaj Sonej. Or I don't know if I've spelt that right, but yeah, it's up there anyway. It says big up M.R. Would love a shout out, my G. Love the channel. There you go. That's all you gotta do is ask, and you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. And also big up Live in Love. I think we've actually bigged them up before, but we're gonna big up this message. He says, this video is especially thoughtful, for we are many and we come from many places. It is important to see what we have in common and not dwell on our differences. For even if uniqueness, we are all special. Jah bless Rastafari. You understand? So, and that was regarding the Irish and the Jamaican video. If you haven't seen that, Wally for History, go check that out. You get me? Yeah, man! The next week is the last week in England, you know what I'm saying? So, why people? Let's go. I'll see you soon.